Up there at that end where we can see is that's the start of the U. Be a left.
Danger, then hard left.
Yep, carry some speed. Watch the belly, you're good. You're good. Yep. That all-wheel drive transfer case would be nice. Alright. Harder right.
24 miles to target, ETA 54 minutes. In 595 feet, hard left.
Sorry, getting tired of calling. No, you're good. Got a left into a not full hairpin, but pretty aggressive left right here.
Hard left.
Here. Gradual left and gradual right, and then it's a full U-turn kind of thing, but so this is our right. As we come out of this, we're going to be doing a 180.
Yeah. This is sloppy. Slide in, TJ.
Okay. A lot of iron back there with that skid plate.
Yeah, I don't want to fuck his car up. This is some slop right here.
Considering it's a gravel road, it's very sloppy as a gravel road goes.
Yeah.
Like, this afternoon's gonna be seeing a lot of winching in our future. Hard right. You can see pretty much here.
Yeah. It's slop right now. Marbly, slippy slop.
Jeep's pretty darn dirty right now.
Yeah.
Alright, this is a U as you see it.
Yep.
0.4 miles to waypoint.